What's the meaning of black sheep? Black sheep. Black sheep.
Black sheep. Black sheep. The term black sheep is often used to refer to someone who was considered an outsider or a troublemaker within a group. This phrase originated from the fact that black sheep were relatively rare and therefore less valuable than white sheep. As a result, the black sheep of a flock were often seen as undesirable and were sometimes singled out for negative attention. Today, the term can be used to refer to anyone who was seen as different or at odds with the majority. It can also be used in a more positive context to describe someone who is unique or who stands out from the crowd.